Hello friends, my name is Carrie Ann. I'm a realtor with eXp Realty and you are watching Living in Hendersonville. Today we are here in Asheville, North Carolina, and I'm going to give you a home tour of this beautiful home. It's listed by my friend and other eXp agent, Justin Purnell. The address is 111 Sunny Ridge Drive, Asheville, North Carolina. It's listed for $875. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, over 3,600 square feet. It's huge, it's beautiful, and I can't wait to show it to you. Okie dokie, artichokes. Thank you so much for watching that home tour. If that home looks interesting to you, or you want to learn more about living in Asheville or Hendersonville, this is Living in Hendersonville channel. Give me a call, shoot me a text message, email me. I would love to help you find home and community. My mission is to support folks from all walks of life with all of their real estate needs here in Western North Carolina, so that means you too. So thank you so much for watching this episode of Living in Hendersonville. And remember, you have a friend in real estate.